Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32.
Hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go?
Good morning, my berries. I am making waffles this morning. So we can have basically fried chicken and waffles. Yeah, you guys can't even see me, can you? So let me just back it on up. Back it on up. So yeah, I'm making waffles this morning. It's not real morning, it's like 10:44. But hey, we're gonna make it do what it do. I don't really plan on doing too much today anyway. So I think I'm gonna use my little trusty right here. I love this thing. I might have to make another batch of waffles though. I'm not sure if this is gonna be enough for the family. So I hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas. We enjoyed ours. I'm making a mess. Let me stop all on my head. And y'all, I made a mistake with this waffle mix. I thought I was putting like butter extract in the waffles, and I put lemon extract in the waffles. So we're gonna see what it is. We're gonna see what it is. Good morning, Kayla. All right. If my family ever say they starving, you know they lying.
I'm starving. Around here.
Lying.
Around here.
Liar. Pants on fire. I always have a problem at the very beginning. Hopefully that. So with this waffle iron, I don't know if you guys are familiar, but I really like this one because it has the red and green light right there at the top, and it'll let you know when that waffle is done cooking. So yeah. So we're gonna, like I said, I got some fried chicken in the air fryer that's reheating, so it'll be nice and crispy. And then I guess as the waffles come off, whatever, then everybody can kind of come and get what they need to get. We got some syrup here and hot sauce. I know a lot of people like to kind of combine it, like put a little hot sauce on the chicken, syrup, and all that. It's like a spicy, sweet thing going on. So I'm gonna, of course, set up everything over here, and they can go for what they know.
said I'm malnourished.
Can't tell it. Can we tell it? Can't tell it.
Here?
Earl? Taking so long.
Doctor said I'm malnourished.
You get a second opinion.
I don't give a damn second. I don't need no second opinion.
Yeah, you need to.
You know I'm malnourished.
What the hell that's got to do with it? It didn't take very long to get all this done. The muffins. Let them put their own butter on. Alright, so I'm telling y'all, if y'all don't use like a nice buffet table or even use a countertop for buffets, if you have the space in your house, that is the way to go. Because it's like all you gotta do is prepare. You let them do the rest. You know what I mean? It's so easy. I'm gonna taste this waffle. I wanna see what it tastes like. Like regular waffle. Kayla. I've got the spread. I hope this waffle don't stick.
I first saw him, he totally caved. Admitted he was cheating. Now I'm gonna work on it for the kids. You know, I love home food. You gotta at least try it, right? Almost like he's gonna say.
Alright, so I'm gonna get this done and then I'll let you guys, see what we got. Alright, before all of the waffles leave, which I think we're at the end, I'm making more. This is how we got it all set up. Fried chicken over there, waffles were over there. You got hot sauce and syrup, butter, and the dog just saw me coming and she left. Alright, so I'm mixing up more. Yeah, so get yourself some Bisquick, get your waffle iron. You got chicken and waffles chow for breakfast. Alright guys, here we go. This is my plate. Waffle, fried chicken, a little bit of hot sauce for the chicken, and lots of syrup for the waffles. It's a great combination. So this is another good idea for breakfast in the morning, especially when you have leftover fried chicken. Alright, bye. Alright guys, I just thought I'd come outside for a little fresh air. There's not much going on today, so not much vlogging. We had breakfast, everybody's in their separate rooms. I've been watching It's Complicated, and I watched Stepmom on Bravo. And there's my cat wondering why I'm outside. So I just thought I'd come out just for a little bit. It's beautiful out. You guys saw all of us opening Christmas gifts and stuff like that. Probably later on, I'll probably make myself some roast beef sliders or something like that, because I love roast beef after like the day after. I love to make roast beef sandwiches for myself, of course. Everybody else can fend for themselves. I feel like this whole holiday, Thanksgiving, and it's like, okay, I'm over it. It was fun, but I'm over it. And then, of course, next week I'll be back in the kitchen again. Don't get me wrong, I love cooking. But sometimes it's like, I don't know. It's almost like performing. Have you ever like had to say a speech or sing or do something in front of a crowd and you know you can do it, right? But then you get nervous and you're like, what if I mess up? What if I mess up the one thing that everybody wants? So sometimes I get kind of nervous, but I always pull it through. So yeah, anyway, everybody enjoyed breakfast this morning. They enjoyed dinner last night. Yesterday was wonderful. I guess I wish I would have recorded some of that of us just kind of sitting in the living room. I think I showed Jordan and Kayla. They were kind of sitting in the living room and Earl was on the sofa. And we just kind of sat there and watched movies all day. Like I said, we watched Soul. We watched Love Sylvie, I think it was called, or Sylvie Love. Then we watched Wonder Woman. We watched Four Christmases. We watched Happy Feet. So we did all of that yesterday. It was lovely. It was nice to spend that quality time together. Like I said, now Jordan's at work. Kayla's in her room. Earl's in the room doing a little work. And I'm just kind of chilling all by myself. I'm still in my PJs, sitting outside. So yeah, it's so nice to relax, guys. Like this whole year just seems like it was like everybody's like this uptight. So like I said, I'm sorry I didn't bring too much to you guys today, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and try to relax the rest of the day. I'll get this video uploaded and ready for you guys. Very short, quick. It was basically breakfast, but this is my day. I didn't try to put on any airs or show anything, you know, trying to make it, you know, make more of it than what it is. This is just my day. And talked to my dad today to see how he was, and he's at home relaxing. So I was like, you know what? I'm not even gonna mess with you. I'm gonna let you have your time to yourself. You know, everybody needs that time. You know, even I want to spend time with Kayla. You know, I want her in the living room with me, but I'm not even going to bother her because sometimes I know what it's like to you just want to veg out, you know. And then, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into the house. I'm going to go ahead and get this video uploaded for you guys. And then I'm going to probably either turn on The Crown or The Queen's Gambit, one of the two, so that I can, you know, catch up with that. So, yeah. That's it, and I'm off all next week. It's wonderful. So I'm sorry in advance if y'all don't get real good quality videos, because your girl is going to take advantage of relaxation, because I don't even have to go to the grocery store to purchase things for New Year's. Look, I've taken off my nails. Like, it's a whole thing. It's a whole thing. So yeah, guys. So I just want to say thank you. I love you guys. Thank you for your support. I hope 2020 wasn't as bad for you guys. I know for a lot of you, it probably was. I thank God for what He's done for me and my family for 2020. And I hope nothing but love and blessings for you all for 2021. But again, thank you for your love and support. Thank you for always tuning in. Don't forget, guys, go ahead and subscribe if you can, and share my videos with others. Don't forget about Dear Darkberry coming up next year. I got a few decorating ideas I want to do. I want to repurpose my vanity. I want to redecorate my bathroom. I feel like I'm an old lady when I go in that bathroom. I want to redecorate that. I think I still want to do some painting, like on my doors and stuff like that, you know, like touch-up paint. So quite a few things coming up, but just bear with me for 2021. I want to keep this going. I really do enjoy bringing content to you guys because I see how much you really enjoy it. And I know how I am when I see when there's certain people that are on YouTube and then they don't bring you footage. And of course they have to have lives too, but sometimes you're like, oh my God, I miss, you know, like you just missed that break or whatever. So you miss them during their break. So yeah. Thank you guys again, once again, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Still remember back in the day, first riding an open sleigh, I was a child. Hey, Chloe. Say hello to everyone. Little bonus footage of Chloe in the living room. So I just wanted to show you guys like really what it's like here today. Look, that's my spot right here. Look, remote pillow blanket. Isn't this ideal? I have a little heater here, and then I have my Let's see, my 2 cups are there, my glass, and then I have my 49ers cup. And here's the TV right here. Watching It's Complicated. If you haven't seen this movie, I say watch it. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I remember one of the reasons that I love it so much is that it was one of the movies that I actually went to see by myself. It was just me, and I got whatever drink I wanted to have, and I sat by myself and I watched this movie, and I really fell in love with this movie. I love Meryl Streep, first of all. I love her house in this movie. I love her bakery. Look how beautiful that bakery is. It's like an ideal thing that I would love for myself one day. It's just gorgeous. So, I don't know. I've always been a TV-aholic, so yeah. Look at that. Look how beautiful her kitchen. I know it looks crowded, but it's just everything's, I don't know, I just love it. It's so pretty. So yeah, so cool. And here is my kitty again. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and edit this video so you guys can see it, alright? Talk to you guys later.